Hi, I'm Joey. I'm a director of operations in the entertainment industry, and I would give OptiSigns a 5 out of 5. We looked at other platforms such as UCView and previously used UCView for large scale projects throughout our organization. The differences between the two and the price comparison were an easy sell, and UCView had some features that OptiSign incorporated long term, and it definitely was an easy transition between the two. We chose OptiSign. Really, the dashboard sold us on kind of the usability of what we see with our creative department, and ultimately the ease of planning, scheduling, and really making sure that the signs are appearing when they should appear and where they should appear. And the dashboard, I think, is such an easy feature and easy for anybody to pick up. The training is minimal, and our creative team really just kind of hit the ground running with their platform. And overall, it's definitely a price conscious platform, and it's worked great. And some of the features that it has our creative team really excited about the future that's held with OptiSigns. The onboarding perspective from OptiSigns, it literally was a complete solution in under 3 minutes. I think the initial configuration with the app, downloading that from like a Fire Stick or single stick device for TVs, was such an easy process. Once it boots up, it gives you a code, you plug it into your dashboard, and you can literally start sending content to the display. And the onboarding, like I said, it's a really quick 3 minute process after you get the device set up, and ultimately it lasts a pretty long time, and the value is there, especially when you're considering a cheaper solution. I think any recommendation for a digital signage like OptiSign is always looking at what you really need it for, the scale, production of how many you actually need, and ultimately what features you're looking for as well. I think OptiSign gives a lot of great value in some smaller scale deployment scenarios. We have roughly 5 at each of our sites that replace some digital signage TVs, and looking at those key factors. Cost, especially with the digital signage industry, is definitely increasing with cloud-based solutions. So, making sure that you factor in everything and really just look at OptiSign's features versus some others, I think is the easiest way to compare apples to apples across the board.